My nasturtiums are doing super good. Borage also. And I got some squashes going. It's going all the way over there. Another squash there.
Un voyage.
Look at these rutabaga. This one is medium. These are very, 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 very small. This is a good one. And then I got two nice ones here. Look at that. This one is the biggest. I'm gonna take them all out today and clean it all up. And I'm gonna give the garden a clean up. And I'm gonna plant garlic as well. Two better ones. My first butternut squash. It's so cute. He puts his body right against mine to get some love. Even in the garden. Huh, baby? Some carrots. Huh, Moose? This is how it came out. I'm in love. Look at this. Like, what? And it's a huge, huge vine. It honestly went everywhere.
Oui, Camaya. C'est ça qui s'en va, ouais? Oui. Oh, c'est bien ça?
This is the garden in October. Some lavender. I'm probably gonna bring this plant in. This is a tobacco plant. It's so pretty. Gonna switch it up for next year though. I don't like where I put the thyme, so I am taking it out. Because it's a perennial and it's gonna keep growing. I'm gonna harvest my last rutabaga and my biggest one. I just cleaned up these rows. Yeah, look. It's the size of my hand. Last one. I'm so excited. Let's see. Let's see if it got worm damage. Super nice. I grew this. Rutabaga. Today's harvest, 2 little eggplant, calendula, and some sage. And then I'm gonna dry all these, but I need to wash them.
Ça a fait des racines. Regarde, lui, shit, là, là. Là, il y a juste le coton là, là. Ça va être en l'air. Aïe, aïe.
C'est un vieux. Il y en avait une qui avait brisé cet été avant qu'elle a comme sorti.
C'est pas pire, hein?
Compost piles. This way I'm hoping that I'm gonna spread it all throughout the garden whenever I clean out the garden for the fall. I forgot I put my garlics in here. They're literally growing. Oh my god, it's so funny. They're so resilient. I forgot I put them there. I'm gonna harvest that. Thank you, baby. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. I need to harvest some celery. Oh, you like burst it open. Oops. Okay. Oh, there's probably lots of seeds in here. Do you think I can try these as seeds? You know what? I'm gonna use these as seeds. See if it works. October 31st. I'm still making salads from the garden. Still cleaning up the garden. I just took out all the marigolds. The animals ate the butternut squash. I just left them for them to eat them. So I'm gonna go through them in the forest. Oh wow, look at this wasp. Hey little guy. And the kale is frost resistant. So I'm still gonna harvest that and leave it. And then the tomatillos I'm gonna clean up. So I harvested some kale, and I got my hot peppers that are like bad, but they're not bad. It's just I'm gonna keep them for seeds. And then I'm bringing my mojito mint inside. And then this is all compost that I just cleaned up. So all there's left is celery, kale, parsley that we're gonna harvest and freeze, and then I need to take the dill seeds. So 1, 2, 3, 4 things. And then I'm gonna throw all the compost in the garden, so that's ready for next year. Oops, no, I dropped seeds. I'm trying to show you. Okay. Ow. I shouldn't have done that because I dropped a bunch of seeds. That's okay because I still have.
So on the hill?
I don't know if that's gonna be open.
Yeah, we were going with you, and then we said.
Oh.
I grew this. I'm so excited feeding the birds. Now I'm gonna go break up the pumpkins. Put them in the forest and just feed the animals. I put them right there. We shall see.